Hello my friends and welcome to another Tuesday of tutorial. I am Leonardo Perez Nieto and today I don't have a tutorial for you. I have been working very hard on a project and I didn't draw. But I would love to share with you what I have been up to, which is basically making NFTs. If you don't know, an NFT is basically digital art on the blockchain, which is the technology with which the cryptocurrencies are made, so that this digital art is secured, it is safe, and it is valuable. I'm making a different video, a separate video to show you in detail what an NFT is. But for now, you can see a couple here. The title of this artwork is Fullness. And it is the story of a beautiful young woman who, at dawn, takes a bath in the blue ocean to cleanse any unwanted feelings and become one with nature. A flock of birds flies by, indicating the passing of time. The sun appears, illuminating the girl and filling her with energy. Then a second group of birds flies away toward the sun, in pursuit of freedom. At that point, the sun disappears, but she is a changed person. I first made the oil painting and then digitalized it to give it movement and life. Here it is. And this sculpture, Passion for Life, was inspired by some of the attributes of a woman. She's so beautiful, elegant, and delicate, but at the same time, powerful and full of passion. She merges with the universe and creates life in many ways, represented here by the dispersion of her body. Enjoy! Good! I will leave you some links below to check these ones and some other ones. And if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like, subscribe to Fine Art Tips if you haven't done so already, click on the little bell to get notifications of new videos, and I will see you with more creations on Tuesday.